Hi everyone, welcome back to the new video of Current Affairs YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the top 60 weekly current affairs questions and answers from 24th May 2021 to 13th May 2021. Okay, let's start the section. First question. Which organization has developed DIPCO-1, a COVID-19 antibody detection kit? Okay, the answer for the question is DRDO, that is the Defense Research and Development Organization. Okay, the DRDO has developed DIPCO-1, a COVID-19 antibody detection kit. Okay, in this video, we are not discussing the answer explanations because we have already done the answer explanation for all these 60 questions in our daily current affairs question answer video. If you want to watch that video, I will give the link in the description given below. You can check that out, watch the video. Okay, next question. Who has become the first Indian to win Rudolph V. Schindler Award? Okay, the answer for the question is D. Nageshwar Reddy. Okay, D. Nageshwar Reddy has become the first Indian to win Rudolph V. Schindler Award. Next question. Which state government has launched Sanjeevani Pariyojana? Okay, the answer is Haryana. Okay, the Haryana state government has launched the Sanjeevani Pariyojana. Next question. Which state was the top recipient of FDI in India during the fiscal year 2020-21? Okay, the answer is Gujarat. Next question. Who became the first Indian parasatellite to qualify for the Tokyo Paralympics? Okay, the answer is Palak Kohli and Parul Parmar. Next question. Who has topped the 2021 Forbes list of the world's highest paid athletes? Okay, the answer is Conor McGregor. Next question, question number 7. Okay, before going for the next question, if you like this video, please click on the like button. Okay, this video like aim is only 100. And if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Current Affairs and also enable the bell icon for getting new notifications in our YouTube channel. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 7. Which company has launched Ozempic, a drug used for the treatment of breast cancer? Okay, the answer is Zydus Cadila. Okay, which space agency is planning to send its first mobile robot to the moon in 2023? Okay, the answer is NASA. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new director of Central Bureau of Investigation, that is CBI? Okay, the answer is Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 10. The Mohali International Hockey Stadium in Punjab was renamed after whom? Okay, the answer is Balbir Singh Senior. Who has won the 2021 Templeton Prize? Okay, the answer is Jane Goodall. Next question. The world's largest iceberg has recently been broken from the Roon ice shelf in Antarctica. And here the question is, what is the name given to this iceberg? The answer is A76. Okay, next question. Which state has launched the Mission Oxygen Self-Reliance Scheme to meet the state's oxygen needs? Okay, the answer is Maharashtra. Okay, next question. Which ministry has decided to set up a national mission on the use of biomass in coal-based thermal power plant? Okay, the answer is Ministry of Power. B.K. Pandit was conferred with the FAA's President's Award in 2021. And the question is, he is a private secretary to the CM of which state? Okay, the answer is Odisha. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 16. Which Indian has won the 2021 Princess of Asturias Award in the Social Sciences category? Okay, the answer is Amartya Kumar Sen. Who has been appointed as the acting Chief Justice of the Chhattisgarh High Court? Okay, the answer is Justice Prashant Kumar Misra. Who has been conferred with the International Annie Awards 2020? Okay, the answer is CNR Rao. Okay, let's see next question. Who has been appointed as the new president of the International Hockey Federation for 3 years till 2023? Okay, the answer is Narendra Batra. Next question, question number 20. Which organization launched an audio-visual guide app on the occasion of International Museum Day? Okay, the answer is National Gallery of Modern Art. Next question. When was the Kalakshetra Foundation established? And here the answer is 1936. Pinarayi Vijayan was sworn in as the Chief Minister of which state? Okay, the answer is Kerala. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has inaugurated the country's first Chinese assisted 1100 MW, that is megawatt nuclear power plant in which city? Okay, the answer is Karachi. Who has launched the National Mobile Monitoring Software NMMS app and Area Officer Monitoring app? Okay, the answer is Narendra Singh Tomar. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 25. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub with effect from 17 May 2021? And his answer is Rajesh Bansal. Which bank has issued the first ever foreign portfolio investor license to the GIFT IFSC Alternative Investment Fund of True Beacon Global? Okay, the answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next question. Chirixalis dori recently seen in the news is a species of which species? Okay, the answer is tree frog. Okay, next one. Pradeep Kumar Yadav has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to which country? Okay, the answer is Liberia. What is the profession of Ram Lakshman, who has passed away recently? Answer is music director. Which state has decided to implement Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Anukampa Niyukti Yojana? The answer for the question is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 31. Who chaired the 74th World Health Assembly? Answer is Harshvardhan. The Asian Cricket Council has officially postponed the 2021 edition of the Asia Cup to 2023. And the question is, the tournament was moved from Pakistan to which country? Okay, the answer is Sri Lanka. Next question. Yuan Longping, who has passed away recently, was an agriculture scientist from which country? Okay, the answer is China. Okay, next question. India has exported the season's first consignment of Shahi Lychee to the United Kingdom. And the question is, Shahi Lychee is a GA certified product of which state? Answer is Bihar. Anatole Cornet Makazo has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Okay, the answer is Republic of the Congo. What is the theme of 2021 World Turtle Day? Okay, the answer is Turtle Stroke. Okay, let's see next question. Recently, Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta has appointed Martha Koome as the country's first woman Chief Justice. And the question is, which is the capital of Kenya? Okay, the answer is Nairobi. Where is the headquarters of Central Electricity Authority of India, that is CEA, located? Answer is New Delhi. Next question. Om Prakash Bharadwaj, who has passed away recently, was the first Dronacharya awardee coach of which sports? Okay, the answer is boxing. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 40. Sri Kumar Banerjee, who has passed away recently, was the former chairman of which organization? Okay, the answer is Atomic Energy Commission of India. India has signed a 3-year joint work program with which country for cooperation in the field of agriculture? Okay, the answer is Israel. Next question. What is the theme of the 2021 Commonwealth Day in India? Okay, the answer is delivering a common future. Okay, next question. Which bank has become the first small finance bank to offer its NRI customers segment the ease of account opening online? Okay, the answer is Equitas Small Finance Bank. Which national park is expected to receive 10 cheetah in November 2021 from South Africa? The answer is Kuno National Park. And also not on that, cheetah is extinct in India. Next question. Who has become the India's first woman flight test engineer? Okay, the answer is Asrita V. Olete. Okay, next question. Who is the author of the book titled India and Asian Geopolitics, the Past Present? Okay, the answer is Shiva Shankar Menon. Mount Nyiragongo, which was seen in news recently, is located in which country? Okay, the answer is Democratic Republic of the Congo. Bashar al-Assad has been reappointed as the president of which country? Answer is Syria. Which bank has launched a facility for linking UPI ID with its digital wallet pockets? Okay, the answer is ICICI Bank. Okay, next question. Question number 50. What is the theme of 2021 World Digestive Health Day? Okay, the answer is obesity and ongoing pandemic. Who has won the Monaco Grand Prix 2021? And the answer is Max Verstappen. Next question. Which state has launched Angur, a scheme under which citizens will be awarded for planting trees? Okay, the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, let's see the important days of the week from 24 to 13 May 2021. Question number 53. When is the International Missing Children's Day observed annually? Answer is 25th May. When is the World Thyroid Day observed annually? Answer is 25th May. And the Question number 55. When is the Buddha Purnima 2021 observed? Answer is 26th May. Okay, next question. When is the International Day of Action for Women's Health observed annually? And the answer is 28th May. When is the World Hunger Day observed? Answer is 28th May. When is the Amnesty International Day observed annually? Okay, the answer is 28th May. Okay, let's next question. Question number 59. When is the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers observed annually? Answer is 29th May. And the last question, 16th question of the weekly current affairs questions and answers video from 24th to 13th May. Okay. 16th question is, when is the International Everest Day observed? And the answer is 29th May. Okay. In this video, we are discussing about the top 60 weekly current affairs questions and answers from 24th May 2021 to 13th May 2021. Okay, I think it's understood about the section. If you have any doubts related to any question and its answer, please comment down in the comment section given below. We will discuss that. And if you want the answer explanation for all these 60 questions, you can watch the daily current affairs question answer video in our YouTube channel. Okay, we'll keep the link in the description given below. You can check that and watch the video. Okay. If you are not a subscriber of this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel Current Affairs, and also enable the bell icon for getting new notifications in our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting us. See you tomorrow with a new video on Current Affairs and other study topics. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.